Everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of GD. You click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list, you will search about the application of GD and you will click here. After that, in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.